This is Lynda with iCrafter, and this is our September lunch filled with autumn leaves and warm coziness and some Halloween. Let's take a look. Hi everyone, it's Lynda Canasi with iCrafter, and I'm so excited to share our September launch. Yes, it is September already. And that means the end of summer, beginning of autumn. So we have a little touch of a summer farewell with a little flowery kind of hint. And then we have go into autumn and then into Halloween ideas, which are so much fun. So let's get started and see what we have. So I am so excited to start with our first design. This is a flip card dashed circle. And you can see it does this really fun little opening technique. It starts off not looking, you can't see the full circle until you fold it open and you see that. It continues with our line of flip cards. The fun thing is on this one, I added these decorative flowers and the word hello. And it comes with this, or it has this dashed circle. And I wanted to do something that was a basic shape that you could embellish as much as you want. So it starts off looking like that. Here's another one that Suzanne did that is just so pretty. And you can see. And here is something else she did, which I thought was amazing. She used the inner circle part and cut it into the card. And then she added those pieces in there. So it just gave it a new dimension. You could kind of see that there. I thought that was really clever. So she did that. And just to, let me show you. This is the flip card dash circle. But this continues with our flip card designs. Here's the flip card flower and the flip card snowflake. So again, you could see it just continues to expand on that flip card idea. We're so excited about that. But also again, it gives you a real nice base to embellish with other things. You could add photographs, you could add other embellishments. So, and I'll just kind of hint, there's more coming to add on to this, but you didn't hear it from me. Anyway, that is a flip card dashed circle. Next, I want to share something for the warm, cozy autumn crafting. It's little coffee cups. So it's a coffee stamp, and here is the stamp set. There are, I think, 11 phrases like have a latte fun, like you a latte, you mocha me happy. So it's a lot of puns on coffee. It is just this whole series of stamps. And then there's these little faces. Can you see those? I did little face stamps. So you could add, if you wanted to, give your coffee cups a little bit of personality. They're small enough that you could use them on a planner. And I loved how Suzanne added the little faces to these. And then this was, Wendy did this. And these are a whole bunch of cups of coffee that she colored in. The stamp says coffee, a noun, bean smoothie. So again, this is to highlight some warm, cozy crafting. This can also be cups of tea or cups of hot chocolate. And let me show you in my sketchbook, the inspiration that started it all. You could see some of the phrases. You could see I was testing some ink there too. But there are the little coffee cups and just how kind of where the idea started coming together. So you could see the heart shape in the coffee there. So that is the latte coffee sentiment. So this is Leaves Are Falling, and it's a stamp set, and they're beautiful, beautiful leaf designs that are so much fun to color.
I designed this for my colorist friends who love filling in the colors on these stamps. This is a beautiful slimline card, and Suzanne Fussy cut around the leaves and did a beautiful job. Now this is something I did with gold embossing powder. You could see the leaves in there. I just had a lot of fun with that. So this is the stamp set. There are 8 stamps in this set. There's also mushrooms and some phrases, so you could do some really pretty cards. But you could see that all these areas would be so much fun to color in. So this is The Leaves Are Falling, and I wanted to show you, here are the pencil sketches for the Leaves Are Falling. You can see they started off as soft pencil sketches and then progress into the inked versions of it. The next one is the, I have to bring it up here, is the Bloomin' Sunshine. Now, I called it Bloomin' Sunshine because it's a sunflower, and it's, to me, it's like sunshine blooming. So that was the idea behind that. The other thing too was I was kind of drawing it in a Art Nouveau style. Here's a beautiful card. This is by Wendy, and this is by Suzanne. And you could see some beautiful ideas that you can do with this. Here's another tag. So you could just see that it would be fun to color. There's here's the packaging. It comes with 4 sentiments, and they're real, nice, warm friendship sentiments. And this is the Bloomin' Sunshine stamp. And let me show you the sketch. Now, you could see, this is all inked in now, but this was how it started in my sketchbook. And it didn't change very much at all. It's basically, I think this dark area opened up so that people can color in. But you can see sometimes they don't change very much at all. Sometimes they change drastically. So just wanted to share, that is the Bloomin' Sunshine stamp set. Now, I had a lot of fun with this one. This is the mini Halloween Hauntings. Now, what I did, I designed it so that it would fit inside the geometric dimensional domes that are sold separately. They're these, oddly enough, geometric dimensional domes. They can be adhered to your projects, and in this case, you can see it's a little bit of a shaker activity in there. They're kind of on the side there. But this die has, okay, well, first off, let me show you the packaging. And it has these shapes. So there is like a not so spooky skull, a spider, a bony hand, spider web, a ghost. It's a little ghost right there. And then it says RIP. And this square cuts an opening that fits the geometric dimensional dome perfectly. So you can use the square to cut an opening in a tag and then mount your little tiny, these mini little designs inside of them, behind the dome. And it's just these fun ideas. But, well, let me share the drawings first, because before I jump into the next one, let me just do this. Here are my drawings. Now, you can see little ghosts, and I was kind of coming up with other ideas. There's a skull trying to, and can you see that? There's a tiny little hand in there. Had so much fun with that. So they were just fun little ideas. But what happened was, my next project, or my next die, is, and I'll just kind of jump into that, are these Halloween treat lanterns. Now, it's a funny name, but they hold candy treats, you can see, but it also is designed to hold these little faux tea lights, right? So you don't want to put a real tea light in, please don't do that. But you could put a little tea light in and set them up and decorate around your house with these. So I had to call them treat lanterns. I don't know, kind of a funny name. But what this die does, and let me show you the die packaging, it has all these shapes, but there's interchangeable pieces. So you could add the spider web if you want on the front. You could also do it solid. So this is the same shape as this front part, but I dropped in the bats on here, and in this one I dropped in the spider web. So it creates a solid piece, which you can embellish, but when you open it up with some design, you could also add, like I said, the tea lights, the faux tea lights, and fill it with candy, tie off the top with some ribbon or baker's twine. There are pumpkins and a separate bat and the words Happy Halloween in there. And the fun thing is, these little shapes, Halloween Hauntings, they also work really well with these. They work together, so you can see the spider would look perfect on that. That you can add, you know, like the skull with the bats, or, you know, they do mix and match. So it's really kind of a fun coordinating design kind of thing. So that is the Halloween treat lantern and the mini Halloween hauntings. And like I said, they work together. I can show you, let me show you my sketchbook again. You can see where it kind of came together, sort of a tent shape. Spider webs kind of happened there. The thing was, I was debating whether to make it a box, more of a box shape, and I thought, no, I wanted it to be more like a tent shape, which is how this came into being. So that is the Halloween treat lantern. So the last design for our Halloween offering is the tunnel card insert Halloween add-on piece. And you need to have the tunnel card base swan. These are just add-on pieces that create all these different shapes. But let me share this first. Isn't this gorgeous? This is, Suzanne made this, and you could see it is a tunnel card. There are 3 layers, and she just made it nice and spooky. This is another one. This is something I made. I did the ghosts in vellum so that they're out there haunting. And wanted to share something really fun. This is a card, a shaker card that Suzanne made that uses all of these shapes, but you don't have to make a tunnel card with it. You can use these shapes and make shaker cards. They're perfect for that. And you can see the pieces running around in there. Isn't that fun? So all of the shaker tunnel cards can make shaker cards. So let me show you. This is a continuation of other tunnel card pieces that we, sets that we have. Just so you know that we keep adding on to the tunnel cards. So if you, when you buy the tunnel card base swan, we'll just keep adding to it. So this one kind of, there is a house in there. This is the Santa, tunnel card base Santa. This is part of the series. And then this is the tunnel, let me move this, tunnel card mermaid. And these are inserts that you drop into the tunnel card base swan. So they're all sold separately, but I just wanted to show how these can all, you know, it's continuing. It's not just one die and that's it, or one card that you could make. These shapes These are just so much fun. Once you buy the tunnel card base swan, these add-ons will just keep coming out with more add-ons, and you could just keep decorating with them. And again, like I said, you can make shaker cards, so you don't have to always make tunnel cards with these. So they're really versatile and so much fun. They're so easy and so much fun. So let me show you real quick. Oh, and these are sold separately, the Santa and the mermaid. So it's just something that I just wanted to share how the line has expanded. And again, going into my sketchbook, here is, you could see the house was starting off. It started off as a much bigger house, but it kind of was too much for the design of the tunnel card. So it got smaller, but let me show you this. The trees got a lot spookier. Do you see the faces in the trees? I had so much fun with that. So what I do when I do tunnel cards, and here you can see how the house got much simpler, and it even got more simple than that. What I did, because I work with, on tunnel cards I do overlays, because I have to obviously overlay it. This is the front panel with the trees. There were several variations of the trees coming through. And then the back panel was fairly simple. I wanted to keep it with just a moon and some bats flying around, and then I did the little add-on pieces down there. So you can see how it slowly grows, and didn't want to forget, there are also the little fence pieces that I added in the front. And these pieces can be used with other things too, as well as, I just love the trees. So, and the haunted house you could use for other things. So I just wanted to share that. And that is our September offering. We are so excited about it. It is just so much fun with the Halloween and the warm, cozy coffee and sunflowers and leaves. See, I feel like I'm missing someone. Oh, yes. And the tiny little Halloween offering. So we're just having so much fun with this. Think of Halloween, think of warm, cozy autumn time. And don't forget the pretty flip card circle. That, to me, it's a little taste of the end of summer. These flowers are so pretty to use on other projects. So just wanted to share that. And the hello is such a great size too. So this is September with a lot of fun in there. So thanks for watching. There was, like I said, a little bit of late summer in the flip card dash circles with the flowers. Then it went into the autumn leaves and warm cups of coffee into sunflowers. And then it goes into the Halloween ideas, which are always fun. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please be sure and subscribe. Hit that like button. And until next month, when I open up my sketchbook and share my ideas and inspirations again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.